An unrefined lead routing process creates chaos. Leads are incorrectly assigned, inexperienced reps are given high-priority leads, and sales follow-up gets significantly delayed. The impact on sales productivity and brand reputation is a lot, and nobody at your company can answer the burning question, where are my leads? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use RingLead Route, which equips data operations professionals with complete control and visibility over their routing process with easy-to-configure workflows, rules, and criteria to route inbound leads. So let's set up our routing workflow. In this example, we're going to assign West Coast leads to West Coast Round Robin workflow and East Coast leads to our East Coast Round Robin workflow. So, step 1, I'm going to click on Round Robin and then create a new Round Robin task for my West Coast Round Robin. Step 2, I'll drag and drop the users that I want in my West Coast Round Robin workflow. Step 3, I'll create my workflow that will assign all the leads that come in from the West Coast states through web forms to my West Coast Round Robin team. Now, I'm going to click here to visualize my routing workflow in a flowchart display. I really love this feature because other routing solutions only allow users to visualize and set up their workflows in flowcharts, which makes things a little complicated because flowcharts often require a lot of experience with computer science. And also, routing flowcharts could get pretty messy, and that's why I love having both options to view my routing workflows. Anyway, now I'm just going to finish up setting my routing workflow for my Eastern team. And that's it for setting up our routing round robin. Now we're ready to route. So I'm going to enable my routing rules on my list import task and on my web submissions so that any lead that comes into our database, whether it's through a web form or a list import, goes through the full RingLead process first. That means that any record enters our database is first enriched with company and contact information. This way, you have the necessary field values to route on. Then, RingLead standardizes all of the fields to a standard format, meaning our routing rules are dependent on the state field being written out as a 2-character ISO code, which means that leads that are filled out as California instead of CA literally cannot be routed. Then, RingLead will find and merge the lead with any existing duplicates and link it to an existing account if there is one. And then, RingLead will validate the email address to ensure that not only is the email address formatted correctly, but that an email can be delivered to its mailbox. And then the lead will be routed and assigned to a sales rep using the routing workflow that we just set up. This whole process is what we refer to as product synergy, where all of your data operations processes operate in one automated bulletproof platform that ensures your routing occurs efficiently and without delay. The end result is huge for effective sales and marketing, considering that studies show that the odds of contacting a lead if called in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes drops 100 times. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, fill out a Contact Us form on ringlead.com or give us a call. Hope this video was helpful and may clean data be with you.